Let's take a look at other personal service benefits. Employers provide other personal service benefits to employees. By way of example, Google is well known for these personal service benefits. Google arranges with local vendors to provide on Google site programs such as ATMs, mobile libraries, bike repair, car washes and oil change, dry cleaning, haircuts and salons, and an organic grocery delivery service. Google does this because their on site availability boasts employees' efficiency by reducing the need for them to seek services off site. CVS Caremark, seeking to retain older employees, offers various elder friendly benefits. Its Snowbird program lets pharmacists winter in Florida and work in the Northeast when it's warmer. Most Fortune 500 companies offer donation matching programs and other personal service type benefits.